Every day, the nature touches and enriches our lives. Inspired by its myriad gifts, the cutting-edge OT and IT solutions by Hitachi are empowering people by co-creating solutions for a safer and smarter human-centered society. Envisioned to encompass a citizen's life cycle, Hitachi, through its social innovation business, is accelerating the nation's digital transformation, covering critical sectors like education, agriculture, healthcare, payment systems, urban mobility, and public service delivery. The sheer diversity and integration of the solutions are improving the quality of life of millions across India, like Shekhawats, whose lives are changing through an indelible Hitachi bond every day. ICT-enabled revolutionary MStar Master e-governance platform by Hitachi MGRMnet is significantly contributing to building a digitally robust education system. Residing on a very advanced analytics engine, the platform offers a real-time multifunctional and multi-domain interface across public, administrative, and institutional levels. The MStar School Expert System is an integrated academic and administrative platform. It is partnering parents, teachers, institutions, and thousands of students like Navya in their academic journey through the platform's groundbreaking student lifecycle approach, thereby accelerating transparency, accountability, and proficiency in the sector. Hitachi's advanced GIS solutions are helping Navya's younger uncle Bansi and her grandfather to pursue data-led cropping system and aiding in more crop per drop. Additionally, through eMandi, regular market updates are empowering Bansi and other farmers to maximize their earnings and thrive. Hitachi's advanced payment solutions are accelerating growth of India's hinterland, meeting the growing challenges of quality banking services in rural areas. Hitachi white label ATMs provide essential banking facilities to customers interminably. Now, the financially excluded regions of the country are witnessing financial empowerment and thereby become a part of the evolving future of rural business. Hitachi's comprehensive urban mobility solutions are empowering citizens and are enhancing the environmental value of customers by collaborating in automotive industry's transition to low-carbon footprint EVs. Its growing partnership in the successful implementation of metro rail systems is consistently demonstrating the group's pioneering capability in advanced train control, signaling and telecommunication system, rolling stocks, seamless open-loop transit systems. This access to comfortable and efficient urban mobility has helped Nilesh and Aparna lead a balanced professional and personal life. Partnering nations' resolve to move towards Industry 4.0, Hitachi's extensive and highly scalable IoT and AI-enabled IIoT solutions are empowering businesses to determine the future of work and ensure a safer and efficient work environment for millions, helping improve the social values. MStar-enabled digital healthcare solution platform like EHR are ensuring timely diagnosis and alerts to Navya's grandparents for preventive actions and sustained lifestyle changes. Such e-healthcare solutions safeguard millions of citizens like Savitri Devi from any potential epidemic or health issues in the making. Digital healthcare solutions by Hitachi are contributing to shape an inclusive healthcare system at the very grassroots level. The large-scale digitalization of public delivery services supported by Hitachi is significantly offering convenience of living for millions of senior citizens like Shekhawat-ji. Hitachi's comprehensive technology-driven solution landscape is bringing inclusivity and equality in growth through addressing the challenges of a citizen's entire life cycle from young Navya to Mrs. and Mr. Shekhawat. And Hitachi is committed to powering good by co-creating solutions that are enhancing social, environmental and economic values of the society and the customers, thereby accelerating government's vision of achieving sustainable development goals and evolution of a human-centered Society 5.0 in India every day.